All right, day 5 of Harbor Freight's 10 days of deals is going to be on July 21st, which is Tuesday. It's going to be 30% off on all Hercules demo, rotary, and breaker hammers, and 40% off of all Hercules and Bauer battery and charger starter kits. Thanks to a leaker on Reddit that they posted this on day 5. Whenever there are leaks like this, I do always try to give the disclaimer that it could be subject to change because based on previous history and when there's been leaks, Harbor Freight can switch things up. So just be sure to confirm on Tuesday. This is what the deal is. So we'll cover the different options here as far as Hercules and Bauer batteries and then the demo hammers. All right, so first up, saving 40% off on the battery starter kits. It's going to be an excellent deal. I'll go over options they have here. I do get asked questions all the time as far as if someone should choose Hercules or Bauer. And my recommendation is always to take a look at the power tool lineup to see what tools they might be interested in. Bauer is going to be more of the homeowner grade type of tools, and they offer even outdoor power equipment stuff like blowers and weed trimmers and chainsaws. They do not have those in the Hercules lineup, but the advantage of Hercules being more durable tools. The one thing I really like about Hercules, even though I don't currently have any, is that the batteries do come with a 3-year warranty and all the cordless tools come with a 5-year warranty, whereas Bauer comes with only a 90-day warranty on both the battery and tools. So if you're in the market for either of them, then I would certainly choose Hercules. You're going to get a better tool as well as a better warranty. Now, we'll say for the upcoming parking lot sale, they are going to have a deal on the Hercules on the 5 amp hour battery starter kit with the 4 amp charger, priced at $119.99. And during the parking lot sale coming up in August, you will have an option of these different tools to get for free. And I will be sure to put a clearer picture on the screen for you to take a look at, which will have a clearer image of the item numbers. So if you're in the market for any of these tools, then I would hold off for the parking lot sale personally, and then opt to get a free tool, which is up to a $99.99 value that you're going to get for free. And the same thing goes for the Bauer. So they're going to have a deal on the battery starter kit, the 5 amp hour one with the charger. They're going to have that priced at $99.99, which is normally priced at $115. You do get an option of one of these tools you can get for free. So it's going to be a much better deal going that route, depending on which tool you're going to go after, obviously. But it will be a value of up to 90 bucks, basically, that you're going to get for free. It just depends on which tool you're going to go for. Now we'll take a look at the Bauer options. So they have that starter kit, like I mentioned earlier, priced at $115. So you would be able to save 40% on that. So I would recommend going for this if you're not after any of those tools that you can get for free, as far as a free option during the August parking lot sale. Otherwise, it's going to be an excellent deal on day 5 to save 40% on any of these. Now, based on the wording of this leak, it says all Hercules and Bauer battery and charger starter kits. I interpret that as the starter kits alone. So batteries will not be a separate thing on them. So we'll have to wait and see what the actual deal comes out online on the Harbor Freight website. But for now, I think it's just on the battery starter kits. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's head to the demolition hammers. And this second deal for day 5 on Tuesday, it's going to be 30% off on all Hercules demo, rotary, and breaker hammers. I'll go over the different options they have here, and I'll have displayed on the lower left corner of the screen what the sale price will be on them. And first up is going to be this Hercules 10 amp, which is a 12-pound SDS Max type demo hammer. Goes up to 3,800 beats per minute. It's variable speed. Has a 360-degree handle, so you basically twist this to loosen it up and then move it around on the demo hammer itself, and then just tighten it back up right where you want it. This retail price is at 270 bucks, so it'd be an excellent time to save the 30% on it. Now, one thing, if you are in the market for something like this, I would recommend doing an upgrade, going for one that would have more versatility to it and not just demoing, unless, of course, that's all you do. But something like this is both a hammer drill, drill only, as well as hammer only modes. So you're able to do the different tasks with it between chipping up tile or chipping concrete or rock or ground, or you could use it to drill into concrete or just regular drilling. So this one right here is a 12 amp 1 9/16 of an inch SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer. It goes from 225 to 515 beats per minute. So this one does have less beats per minute versus the demo hammer, which is at 3,800 beats per minute. So this one is specialized for demoing. The retail price on this one is 230 bucks, and to save 30% on it, would be an excellent time to pick it up. And we do see deals on all of these very often, actually, and whether it's ITC deals or super coupons, but they just don't have 30% off discounts on them. It's usually around 20% or so, or 25, like I'll show you here next. All right, next up is the 14 amp 1 7/8 inch SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer. It goes from 155 to 320 beats per minute and 0 to 2800 beats per minute, which would be the same as the demo hammer that I first showed you. This one is a bigger unit compared to the other one, and the normal retail price on it is $450, and it is currently on an ITC deal of saving $100, which is $350 sale price, which during this day 5 deal, you'll be saving an additional $35 on that, and you'll be able to pick it up for $315. They do have the selector dial on the top part of the tool here, where you can go between the different modes of the hammer only mode, hammer drill, and drill only. And this next option is a 14.5 amp, 23 pound SDS Max type demolition hammer. So again, this is going to be demolition only, so it won't have the different controls on it. So strictly demoing, and it goes up to 1900 beats per minute. It's also variable speed and has a 360-degree handle to it, so you're able to move it around however you need to hold it. It also has a built-in shock absorbent handle to help create less vibration. And the normal retail price on this one is $400, which it is currently on a ITC deal at $300, so saving $100 on that, which is 25% off. But obviously, better time during the day 5 deal to save 30% on it, and you'll be able to pick this up for only $280, which current sale price is $300. So you'll be saving an additional $20 during day 5. And this day 5 deal is specific to the Hercules brand, so it does not include Bauer, just so you're aware of that. So the next option is going to be on the 15 amp, 42 pound lower wall breaker hammer. It goes to 1700 beats per minute. It's an 1.1/8 hex bit to it. It has shock absorbent and vibration control. It fits both collared or non-collared bits. The retail price on this one is $500, which you'll be able to pick it up for $350, so you'll be saving $150 on that. It's gonna be an excellent deal. And the last option from Hercules is going to be on this 66 pound breaker hammer. It goes to 1000 beats per minute. Also has the 1.1/8 hex bit, shock absorbent, and a durable transmission. It fits both the collared and non-collared bits. The retail price on that one is $650, and you'll be able to pick it up for $455. And this, again, is something we've seen deals on often, but not this heavy of a discount. It's usually maybe $100 off. So an excellent deal at $455, saving $195. Now, since the way the deal reads, it says all Hercules demo rotary and breaker hammers. And one thing that's not clear is if it's going to be limited to the corded tools only. This would be the 20 volt brushless of the D-handle SDS plus type rotary hammer. So based on the way that reads, it might technically include this. I just don't know for sure. We'll have to see until the deal actually gets released at harborfreight.com and see what all comes up under that deal. But this might be a possibility. So, and if it is, this does retail at $110. So it'll be an excellent time to pick this up, which if you are in the market for this Hercules 20 volt rotary hammer, you would be better off going for it during the parking lot sale in August, because that is one of the free tools that you can get for free when you're buying that battery starter kit for $120. It'd be just an additional $43 to get that kit and that free tool. So definitely better option there. All right, that's going to be it for day 5 deals. So if you did get any value from this video, appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.